Okay, finally, there's a spectacular battery now that's better than anything else found. It's a BS battery. It fits underneath the stock cover without any cutting. You want to get the one that's the max. We're actually selling them. It's so good. And the thing's got 180 cranking amps. It's the burliest battery you'd ever find. It is a little bit heavier. It's definitely heavier than the stock battery, but who cares? This is all you got, my friends. This is your best friend. If it's cold out, the bike turns slower, not with this thing. If your bike's having a hard time starting and you're way out there and you're by yourself, you don't want to sleep in the desert because this is all you got. And you know, on this bike here, if the thing even turns 50 RPM slower than when it needs to start, it ain't going to start. It's very, very critical. So for the small amount of money, about 120 bucks, yeah, cover your butt. I'm definitely going to cover mine. So all these new bikes with this weird new tight configuration, this is the dude you want.